What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 24 Week 5 live cop. So this week we're supposed to see the Jordan stuff, but unfortunately we are not. But I still think this week is an absolute banger. So I already got everything pulled up so I know what I'm talking about. So first of all, this Division hooded sweatshirt is so gas. I feel like I haven't seen a hoodie from them that I've actually wanted in a long time. I'm not going to be eating this for the personal, but I do really like this item. Even the spell out jacket's pretty sick, but we're not going to go for that. I'm debating on if I'm going to go for the Crybaby pedal. I've kind of like slowed down my Supreme accessories buying. Obviously every video I've made so far this season, I've pretty much bought everything. Before this, I literally used to buy every single accessory. If I didn't get the accessory that week, I would just go on StockX and pretty much buy it. Nowadays, I'm trying to kind of like slim down because like you can kind of see it over here. I got like way too many things. I don't really know if I want it. I'm still debating, you know, when the timer goes down, I might just get it. I'm not for sure yet. Then we got the underline mesh hat. I'm going to be going for a few of those. Obviously, we got the chopped cheese. I need that. Probably the thing I want the most out of this week. I'm very excited for that. $148 is insane. Then we're going to be going for the rainbow loose gauge beanie. And dang, that might be... Wait a minute. Where are those is the soccer jersey? Did they push the soccer jersey back? Huh. Alright, so I guess that jersey that I'm not seeing it. Unless the Missed Drops by Jay said it's not coming out this week or something. I don't know. Maybe it is. I'm still going to look. But that jersey that was supposed to come out this week, like the soccer jersey looking one, I was going for like an absurd amount of those. I needed to get a bunch of those, but I don't know where. Yeah, maybe they're just not coming out this week. So if we don't count that, we're going for 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5, possibly 6 items, because the sweatpants are also 168, which is a little bit unfortunate. So I might go for them as a set, but I'm not entirely sure. I also don't know about the chopped cheese. That's kind of stressing me out because I don't know if that's going to sell out or if I should try to single cart that or what. But before we get into the live cop portion of the video, if you do want to check out my brand Sudden, we do have a few things left on the website. I will put a card on the screen right now, as well as a link in the description down below. But while you're down there, make sure you follow me on Instagram. There will be a link in the description down below as well. So I guess we get the screen recording queued up and let's get right into this. Alright, so we are live on the site right now. Seeing those pants, so I've been on the site. Wow, these are still all here. Oh wow, I actually kind of a little bit surprised about that as well. All the scarves are in there. Dang, not everything from that collab sold out, which I'm kind of surprised about. Still very upset with these and still on the lookout for those. But it's looking like we got about 30 seconds left, and I think I'm gonna try to get both hoodies in one cart with the chopped cheese. It might be crazy because I feel like the chopped cheese is gonna fly, and I could be wrong, but I do really think that that's gonna sell out. Even at $148, I do think it's gonna sell out. We got 7 seconds left. I don't know why I said 7 seconds. I meant to say 3 seconds. Oh my god, did it just lag right there? Full side down. There we go. Whoa. Did I miss something? Was the chopped cheese not even coming out today? Alright, let me go back. That just threw me off and I don't want to waste time looking. But now I feel like I gotta go slow, and those soccer jerseys are not here. Yeah, the soccer jerseys are not here. Whoa. That just completely threw me off. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Dang, that threw me off completely. I'm going for these as well, but I think I already said that. What is this? Cardinal blue. Yeah, I'm not gonna go for that. Go back. Going for these. Being crazy. So we got an $888 cart. Can we do it? That's not even a bridge. I'm tripping. No. I might have been crazy trying to get all this in here. The chopped cheese is not even there. That completely threw me off and messed everything up. Dang, something's going on with this. Boom, we were able to get that cart. That's a 941. I am gonna go back though for that other hoodie. Let me get this out of the way. Man, that whole chopped cheese thing really threw me off. Wow, this hoodie's actually flying. It's crazy. That might not even make it because I'm still gonna try to get something else. Here. No, wrong hat. Dang, I don't know which one I want of these. I'm not going for the Crybaby pedal. Change my mind. Not going for it. I don't need it. It is sick though, but $300 is crazy and I don't even have a guitar. Man, this is like, I don't remember this ever being a thing. Wow, I actually did get the medium. Medium. Okay. Oh, but I forgot. I literally just said I wanted to go for the beanie and I didn't. Alright, let me double check on this real quick. I know I said that like 5 times. I want to see this real. Medium is still there. Quite surprised. Alright, I'm back on new. Yeah, the jersey. Not there. The pedal's still here, $298. Man, do I want that. Dang, I can't believe it, man. Let me You know what's gonna suck? What if I click here and just here? Alright, there we go. It's not here. Guys, should I get this? I know you won't. I know this isn't in real time, but should I get this? I feel like I'm gonna regret it if I don't. But I don't even have a guitar. But it's so sick. Whoa, 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 what was that? Am I about to be crazy? Oh, it's sold out. See? It wasn't meant to be. It wasn't meant to be. Dang, that's not enough for free shipping though. I can't do that. I can't do that. Man, that chopped cheese, man. I'm gonna be talking about this. Like, I must have missed something. It must have said that it wasn't gonna be there. Like, it must have said that, and I just like completely missed it. I really like this one too. I think it's sold out. Why did it? I have to block out the screen there obviously because you guys can't see it, but it did that. Is it? Maybe I can't get that. I feel like I'm just wasting time now. I mean, obviously the hats aren't gonna sell out, but I should just get another hat. There we go. I guess we're just going for a hat cart. I go back and check that hoodie. I don't know. It keeps popping that thing up. This should be easy. Am I gonna regret not getting that pedal? I don't know. I might. I haven't even been looking at the camera, guys. I'm sorry. I was so locked in and focused. Wow, that was the only one that didn't sell out. I wonder why it wouldn't let me do that. It's weird. Well, at least those two sold out, and I feel like I'm gonna regret not getting this color either. That's a really nice color. I do like that one. Didn't have as much faith in that one though, as it's white. White's sometimes a tough seller for me. Pedal is gone, and yeah, no chopped cheese. I must have missed it. It must have said that it wasn't coming out or something. I just didn't see it this morning. Let's just take one last look over here. Make sure there's nothing else I want. I know the chopped cheese isn't there, but I'm saying let me make sure there's nothing else that I want to grab. Am I gonna regret not getting this? Am I gonna regret not getting this? It's like the first time too, like, because like I said, I used to always get every single accessory. This is me the first time that I was like semi wanting one, and I'm not gonna go to StockX and buy it immediately. No, I guess I'm a changed man, but it is sick. I will admit it. Maybe one day it will show up like way under retail and I can grab it or something. Who knows? Sometimes they be doing that. But alright, let me end this screen recording right here. Alright, so that is going to do it for my Fall Winter 24 Week 5 live cop. I said this like 45 times in the video, but I must have missed where it said that wasn't coming out. I don't know. I feel like I would have seen that. I usually look every morning too, unless Drops by Jay says something. I just completely missed it. I mean, he didn't say anything on this story, but I mean, he might have put it in the post. I mean, I'm not seeing anything, but I must have just missed it. Or maybe this was like a in-store only type deal and I just did it. I was just unaware of that. I don't know. I mean, I'll have to look it up. I don't want to waste too much of your time. I'm a little upset. Hopefully that ends up going on the website or something. I don't know how I missed that. And I was just like so focused, locked in on this. I don't even think I was looking at the camera. I might not even have been talking, so I do apologize about that. But we've been on a roll now. This is like 4 videos in a row where I'm giving you guys a live cop every single week. So if you guys do enjoy these videos, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video, because I want to try to bring you guys as many of these live cops as I can. I do got a few other videos lined up too as well. I wanted to make an unboxing for the pants because someone did request it. However, they're not here yet, but as soon as I get them in, I will be making a video on that. So don't you worry, it's coming. Again, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I will put a card on the screen as well as a link in the description down below. And while you're down there, my brand Sudden does have a few things on the website. All the information for my brand will be in the description down below as well. And I know I kind of just said this, but if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below, did you guys pick up anything? And I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. I did forget to mention, this one's going to be uploaded a little bit later because I got to go pick up all these Verdes, but thank you so much for watching.